How to cancel your Uber Eats order. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your Uber Eats order. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. To cancel your Uber Eats order, it depends upon what stage your Uber Eats order really is in. Whether only if a rider has actually accepted your order and has not went ahead and told the restaurant to process the order, or if the restaurant has already made the order for you and it's already on the packaging stage, or if the order is on the delivering stage. If it's already on the packaging and delivering stage, then most likely you're going to incur a fee. But if you're only just on the delivering fee, which means that the only rider has only just seen it, you want to cancel it as soon as possible, then they're not going to charge any fees for that. So you have to be careful on this one. So for this, all you have to do is open the Uber Eats application. Just tap the orders button from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the orders button from the bottom right, you're going to land on this page where you'll be able to see a list of orders that you have. You just want to make sure to select a specific order here. Once you select a specific order, tap the cancel order button, and then once you've done that, you can see there's a specific charge to canceling it now because it's already quite late. If it's as soon as possible, then you're not going to do anything, but if it's late, then you're most likely going to incur a specific amount of fee. That's it on how you can cancel your Uber Eats order. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.